everyone. In today's video, I am going to be talking through the use case of locking a project. So in this scenario, no updates should be made to a project moving forward. The typical use case of this is the project being complete, but for whatever reason, if you no longer want any changes to be made to a project, you can do that in Tempus by locking a project. I do also want to make mention that when you lock a project, not only can you no longer make edits, but you can no longer upload any information to that project, and you also can no longer have your timesheet users submit any time to that project. So just a few things to be mindful of. All right, navigating into my Tempus environment, I'm going to show what a project will look like when it is locked. So if I go into project management, this first project, Cloud Pioneer, is an example of a project that I have locked before starting this demo to show what it looks like. You can see that there is a lock icon here, again, to show that this is locked. If I click into this project, you will see that there is no longer that checkout button up at the top, and I cannot make any edits to the assignments on this project. This is intentional. If I navigate over to the attributes screen, I see something similar. I no longer can make any updates to my attributes of this project. If for whatever reason you want to unlock a project, if you have the proper permissions, you can do so here with the unlock button, which will then turn back into the lock button if you want to relock that project. If you have any questions about the lock functionality, please let us know. Thank you.